Want to know if your Spanish skills are improving and what your real learning level is? Get your language skills assessed with our free level assessment test. Just click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosa. Welcome to the 2000 Core Spanish Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is...
Alergia. Allergy. Alergia. Alergia. Allergy. Alergia al polen. Allergy to pollen. Alergia al polen. Tarjeta de embarque. Boarding pass. Tarjeta de embarque. Tarjeta de embarque. Boarding pass. Tarjeta de embarque, por favor. Boarding pass, please. Tarjeta de embarque, por favor. Educación. Education. Educación. Educación. Education. Educación y entrenamiento. Education and training. Educación y entrenamiento. Inglés. English. Inglés. Inglés. English. El señor Suzuki enseña inglés. Mr. Suzuki teaches English. El señor Suzuki enseña inglés. Ley. Law. Ley. Ley. Law. La ley y el orden. Law and order. La ley y el orden. Flauta. Flute. Flauta. Flauta. Flute. Flauta de plata. Silver flute. Flauta de plata. Departamento de informática. IT department. Departamento de informática. Departamento de informática. IT department. Llame al departamento de informática. Call the IT department. Llame al departamento de informática. Viaje de negocios. Business trip. Viaje de negocios. Viaje de negocios. Business trip. Ir de viaje de negocios. Go on a business trip. Ir de viaje de negocios. Marketing. 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 Yo trabajo en marketing. I work in marketing. Yo trabajo en marketing. Popular. 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 Hombre popular. Popular man. Hombre popular. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Spanish, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say allergy? Alergia. Alergia. And how to say boarding pass? Tarjeta de embarque. Tarjeta de embarque. What about education? Educación. Educación. Do you remember how to say English? Inglés. Inglés. Let's try law. Ley. Ley. What about flute? Flauta. Flauta. Now let's see if you remember how to say IT department. Departamento de Informática. Departamento de Informática. Another one. What about business trip? Viaje de negocios. Viaje de negocios. Do you remember how to say marketing? Marketing. Marketing. And finally, do you remember how to say popular? Popular. Popular.
Well done! See you next time! Adiós!
Did you take your free level assessment yet? Here's an extra bonus resource you'll get when you take the assessment. When you receive your result and learning level, you also unlock a free language course for your specific level, so you can start learning and level up your language skills. Just click the link in the description to get access.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosa. Welcome to the 2000 Core Spanish Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is insignificante. Insignificant. Insignificante. Insignificante. Insignificant. Cantidad insignificante. Insignificant amount. Cantidad insignificante. Famoso. Famous. Famoso. Famoso. Famous. Actor famoso. Famous actor. Actor famoso. Estornudar. Sneeze. Estornudar. Estornudar. Sneeze. La mujer está estornudando. The woman is sneezing. La mujer está estornudando. Casual. 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 Ropa casual. Casual clothing. Ropa casual. Guitarra. Guitar. Guitarra. Guitarra. Guitar. Tocas muy bien la guitarra. You play the guitar very well. Tocas muy bien la guitarra. Respirar. Breathe. Respirar. Respirar. Breathe. Respirar hondo. Breathe deeply. Respirar hondo. Escupir. Spit. Escupir. Escupir. Spit. No escupir. No spitting. No escupir. Dentista. dentist, dentista, dentista, dentist. Buen dentista, good dentist. Buen dentista. Caries, cavity, caries, caries, cavity. Caries profunda, deep cavity. Caries profunda. Asma, 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 asma. Inhalador para el asma. Asthma inhaler. Inhalador para el asma.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your Spanish skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language, discover your true learning level, and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.